Greetings, YouTube friends. I welcome you to a new video. This time I'm introducing you to Canva Pro. We are working with its trial version 2023. Before we continue, give a like and subscribe to the channel. Canva Pro is a premium version of Canva with unlimited access to premium content, powerful design tools, and AI-powered magic. Some features include unlimited access to premium templates and stock photos, videos, audio, graphics, establishing your brand's visual identity, resizing designs infinitely, removing image and video backgrounds, matching your video footage to your soundtrack, more AI-powered design tools, cloud storage 1 terabyte, and 24/7 customer support. The platform has a rule against piracy. The creators of Canva Pro spend time and money to get people to buy the product with their best efforts. Thank you for watching. Take care.